Today is a beautiful day for science. Currently you're looking at angstrom filters 94, 131, and 171. This is giving us a good view of the coronal loops and the solar flare activity. Now, this next series of images are showing the corona itself with angstrom filter 211 and 193. These give you a better depth of which corona holes are actually the most significant, sending the most wind particles. And this is singly ionized helium, showing a good image of the filaments and prominences that are found on the surface of the sun, which connect to the photosphere of the sun and extend hundreds of thousands of miles out. And this is the surface of the sun with 16,000 angstrom filter. And then last we have polarization analyzation through the HMIBC, which tells us the polarity of the regions and the surface of the sun. In looking at this activity, there were some interesting activity. Despite the fact there were not a lot of solar flares, we do have quite a bit of filament activity. We have a filament eruption here, and then another one here, finally a third here, and the fourth one. Right as we had a blank spot, we catch the tail end of that filament eruption as it departs and becomes a coronal mass ejection. Of these, the one on northern and the most southern do appear to have the most chance of impacting Earth. The most northern central appears to be also going to be propelled more by that solar wind, which is why this is so important looking at that location of this coronal hole. This means that this solar flare, or coronal mass ejection, has a accelerated push right behind it from the solar wind particles, meaning it can arrive a little faster than it would have otherwise. My analysis shows about 48 hours from eruption. And with the other eruptions that have occurred, those will lengthen any kind of storm and also slightly increase how much the storm capacity will be based on saturation of the solar particles into the magnetosphere. As well, during this time frame, on the 25th of January 2022, there was a C2.2 at 0553, a C1.0 at 0926, a C3.8 at 1029, and a C2.2 at 2244. The third region on the northern left, finally coming into full view, we have an M1.01 at 2349. I'll include more information about that in my next video. Cheers and science on.